Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with our McLaren MP4 and Ayrton Senna, or we're building Ayrton Senna's McLaren. So let's go ahead and show you the first step of what we're going to be doing. Let's bring all these back. Okay, so starting off, we need two of these. Like that, I think. I'll pull the sleeves. Okay. Okay. Okay, already looking at this, did I miss a step? I sure did. So this wasn't supposed to go over here yet. It goes in here. There we go. Okay. Then that slides in there. And then same thing on top of that. Okay, there we go. And we just need a 1x2 to cover that. Okay, now we are going to be working on this side. There we go. We need this thing to go in here. There we go. On to the next page. There's that. And the next page. Okay, so we need the trophy looking piece. And that there. And then a stud on the bottom. All the studs are the same. I think they're all the same color. Okay, just like that. Wait, what? So looking at it like this, that's on it. Oh, okay. I was looking at it wrong. This one goes over here, and then we build another one for this side. That one did not have a satisfying click to it. Okay. There we go. And now I can push that to the side and get to building the whatever this is, but on the other side. So I need a 2x4 green, a little 2x2 yellow. Okay. There we go. On to the next page. There's that. And the next page. Okay. So first we'll throw the white piece on. like that. Let me zoom in a little bit. And before I throw the other ones on, let's throw the sticker. Maybe. There we go. Okay, so nope. Goes this way. And then a blue piece on that. Okay, there we go. Now the next step is doing what we just did on the other side. Perfect. Okay. Now we need to build this next thing twice. So there's that, and then the blue 1x2 under that. Blue 1x2. Okay, on to the next page, which is actually going to be the last step of bag number 2. And then we're going to be getting into bag number 3. So there's that. Throw the extra pieces over there. Okay. There is the Shell logo, which goes there. And then we just do the same thing. Just on the other side. Wait, hang on. Ow. Okay. There we go. Now we can push that back, move our stickers back over, and grab bag number 3. Which, bag number 3 has quite a few pieces, so we might be on it for an episode or 2. Okay. So we got that opened. So now we need 1x2 brick, a 2x2. There we go. Then we need a white 1x2 brick. There it is. Okay, so this next step, we need this thing here. Blue Technic piece going all the way through. A red one going kind of halfway in here. And this one all the way through. Okay. On to the next page. There's that. And the next page. Okay, so we need one of these over there and another one on the other side. Maybe. There it is. Another blue. Perfect. Okay. We need these little 3-ball things. Looks like they face this way. Just need to remember that. Okay. Okay, so we need another one of those. There we go. Perfect. Oh, I think my dog's dreaming. He's kind of huffing over there. Or he's awake and he hears something. Ow. That didn't feel good. Okay, so we can move that kind of to the side. Now I need this piece here. This little Technic to ball pieces. What is this red piece? Oh. And then a red connects it. Oh, sorry. I just realized I was up here. My bad. Okay, so this goes in the middle here. And these connect to the ball. I think this might steer it. Okay, so now that we have that done, really nothing goes in there. Okay. We need 2 more of these to go there, and another one. Okay, perfect. On to the next page. There's that. And the next page. Okay, so now we need a 2x2 kind of hollow circle brick. those. And a 1x5. Okay. Does that push into it? I think it does. Okay. So now still looking at it like that. Need two of these, and they go here facing out. And two grays, same thing on the other side though. Where's a black? There it is. Okay. Perfect. This is going to be complicated. Mainly because I can't really see. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I guess so. But no. There it is. Okay. If you can see that, maybe. I don't think you can. But now we can get our McLaren back over here. Where's it go? Oh, we need to put two Technic pieces in the front. They go in the ends. Okay. There we go. Cool. Okay, on to the next page. There's that. And the next page. And the white piece goes on top. Hang on, I need to have it facing the way it is in the book. Okay. There it is. Please. Okay. Now the next page, we need this. Two 1x4s on either side. And a 1x2 in the middle. And that green actually in the middle. And that goes here. Yep. All right, that's going to be our last step for this part. If you enjoyed and want to see more of Ayrton Senna's McLaren be built, Go ahead and subscribe to know when the next video goes up. Leave a like, comment, all that fun stuff, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.